What if you could skip the months of construction and move into a fully furnished high-tech home tomorrow? These houses come pre-assembled or fully equipped with plumbing, electrical systems, and modern amenities, so you can literally move in as soon as they're delivered. So make sure to watch till the end, because this list will surely amaze you. Number 30. Volferda Capsule E5. The space capsule house measures around 8.5 meters in length, 3.2 meters in width, and 3.2 meters in height. It includes one bedroom, one bathroom, and a balcony, with a total area of 27.2 square meters. The main frame is made of galvanized steel, a very strong type of aluminum alloy. At the back of the house, you'll find one air conditioner and one water heater, which handle the cooling and heating needs. Inside there is a wash basin and a mirror, and you can also adjust the brightness of the mirror. There is also a small bar counter for enjoying coffee. On this side, you'll find a spacious balcony, 1.2 meters wide for relaxing. Number 29. Houseboat LAKESTAR. Here is a new line of houseboats available in both floating and stationary versions. This unit features a unique design and is built with the highest quality materials. The interior offers excellent design with 1 or 2 bedrooms. A spacious terrace at the bow and a large utility terrace on the roof make the houseboat perfect for the whole family. It also offers 3 types of heating, while an air conditioner keeps it comfortable during hot summer days. The houseboat also features a large bathroom with a shower, sink, and toilet with a macerator for modern comfort on board. Number 28. NOEM Spaceship House. NASA and other space agencies around the world have spent decades studying how humans would react to living for extended periods in spaceships. But they could have waited, as a number of futuristic homes are already inspired by UFO designs. This particular house was created for a film director who is a devoted science fiction fan and wanted a home fit for the future, while also enjoying panoramic hilltop views. Technology is at the heart of the house, with virtually everything controllable via a smartphone app. The home looks like something from an alien planet, and it wouldn't be surprising if the owner could one day relocate it elsewhere. Number 27. Erwin Wurm Narrow House. From one angle, this house looks like any other in the area, but that's only at first glance. Austrian artist Erwin Wurm transformed his childhood home into a comically thin, narrow structure to illustrate how urban life and its people have changed. Inside, stretched out furniture, narrow corridors, and distorted objects create a disorienting effect that can even trigger claustrophobia, visually expressing how cramped city life has become, and, in his view, how people's thinking has narrowed as well. Number 26. Nolla Cabin. Camping doesn't always mean sleeping in a tent surrounded by bugs. The Finnish company NLE has built 9 unique cabins for nature lovers who prefer comfort while enjoying the outdoors. These cabins are ideal for stress relief, yoga, and peaceful solitude away from city life. Located in remote corners of Finland, far from crowds and traffic, the company plans to build 10 more similar cabins in the national park. Number 25. Ultra-modern treehouse. Suspended 8 meters above Norway's forest, these award-winning A-frame cabins look like something straight out of a fairy tale. Each 40 square meter cabin rests on steel stilts sunk 6 meters into bedrock to withstand fierce Nordic winds, with no bolts touching a single tree, so if removed, the forest remains completely undisturbed. Accessed via a spiral staircase, the interiors are clad in pine and feature a wood-burning stove, fold-down beds hidden in the walls, and floor-to-ceiling glass panels, allowing guests to watch elk, wolves, and bears roam below. Number 24. EO Canopy. This is what happens when Silicon Valley meets nature. The EO Canopy is the world's first fully self-sustaining glamping platform, generating its own electricity and water. It features a 154 kilowatt-hour battery, a solar tracking roof that harvests 25% more energy than standard panels, and an atmospheric water generator producing up to 68 liters of purified water daily. Got an EV? No problem. There's a level 2 charger built in. Even the toilet is high-tech, using an incineration system that turns waste literally into ash. Number 23. Microhaus. This is a microhouse by Microhaus, a sustainable, energy-efficient tiny home designed as a 120 square foot accessory dwelling unit. The structure is built from recycled polymers and comes fully equipped with smart home features. It can be delivered and set up in as little as an hour. Key features include advanced HEPA air quality control, remote smart home management, and high energy efficiency. Prices for the unit range from approximately $50,000 to $90,000. Number 24. 22. Vega Tiny House. The capsule suite offers comfortable living with a total area of 40 square meters. It can accommodate up to 4 people. Its interior includes a bedroom, bathroom, living room, kitchen, and a small machine room, all carefully planned for convenience. Key features include a smart home system, automatic curtains, fingerprint and password secured entry, neon LED exterior lighting, durable composite cladding, aluminum frames with insulated glass, luxurious interior design, and a long-lasting galvanized steel structure. Optional integrations such as heating systems, solar panels, and appliances are available for comfort. Number 21. Ecocapsule Solar Tiny Box. The Ecocapsule is a futuristic pod that looks like something straight out of outer space, and it can help you save significantly on electricity bills. Compact yet cozy, it comes fully equipped just like a regular apartment. This innovative home offers a true eco lifestyle, as it doesn't need to be connected to traditional power or water systems. It is self-sustaining, capable of generating both electricity and water from the surrounding environment, making it perfect for off-grid living. Number 20. Massimo Modular E9. This is a futuristic smart modular tiny home designed to be set up in just a few hours almost anywhere, offering about 409 square feet of fully equipped living space with panoramic 270-degree floor-to-ceiling double-glazed windows and robust construction to withstand earthquakes and harsh weather. It includes a smart lock, automatic curtains, LED lighting, underfloor heating, 2 mini-split AC/heat pumps, a kitchen with induction stovetop, a bathroom with walk-in shower and residential toilet, and space for a queen bed, all controlled through a central smart system from your smartphone. Number 19. Kevats Smart House. Why settle for one view when you can literally roll your house down the tracks? This compact 18.5 square meter studio is mounted on steel wheels and a private rail system designed by Olsen Kundik as a flexible workspace or guest house. With massive glass walls and a sleek plywood interior, it allows you to chase the sun or move away from a chatty neighbor, all with a simple push. Number 18. Luna Zook Cabins. This is a stylish, modern tiny home that doesn't sacrifice comfort for mini size. It offers about 256 square feet of well-designed living space with floor-to-ceiling glass walls that bring in light and blur the line between indoors and nature. Inside, you'll find a full kitchen with a refrigerator, sink, and cooktop, a bathroom with shower and toilet, a loft bedroom with room for a king-size bed, and clever storage tucked into the stairs. Its matte black exterior and asymmetrical roof add striking visual appeal, while LED lighting and high-quality finishes create a welcoming interior. Number 17. Millennial Tiny House. This thoughtfully built tiny house proves that small can be an advantage. Every centimeter of the 7.2 by 2.4 meter space is optimized with hidden storage behind panels, under stairs, and inside furniture. The modern kitchen is small yet fully equipped, while stairs with built-in drawers lead to a loft bedroom. The bathroom impresses with a convenient shower and stylish fixtures, and large windows throughout make the space feel twice its size. Number 16. Hauslein Sojourner Tiny House. This tiny house shows how much can fit into a small space. At just 9 meters long, it includes a fully functional kitchen, a bathroom, a queen-size loft bed, and a spacious living area. The company can build it for $148,000, and it can be placed almost anywhere. Made from strong modern materials, the house is both durable and stylish. Compared to a traditional country house, which would cost much more, this tiny home offers a practical and affordable alternative. Number 15. Huga Iprofesional Smart Home. At first glance, the house doesn't stand out much, with only a slightly unconventional design, but the moment you step inside, you'll be surprised. Despite its modest exterior, the interior is chic and feels much more spacious than expected. Over 2 years, a team of engineers, architects, and designers worked to bring this home to life. Built from reinforced concrete, it comes fully equipped with modern amenities, including plumbing and electricity. More than just a place to stay, it's a cozy, well-designed home ideal for family living. Number 14. Hupi Trailer. You can even go camping by bicycle with a mini trailer like this one. This tiny house sets up in just 3 minutes and attaches easily to a regular bicycle. The basic package, priced at 4,700 euros, includes a bed, lounging area, and good storage. Unlike a tent, this camper protects you from bad weather, insects, and other surprises that nature might throw your way, making bike trips much more comfortable. Number 13, Boxabl Casita. This one is a factory-built, foldable, modular, tiny home that unfolds on site into a fully equipped 361 square foot living space in about an hour. It features a studio layout with a full kitchen, bathroom, living area, and space for a king-size bed, along with LED lighting, HVAC, and full plumbing and electrical systems. Constructed from high-strength panels, it is fire, water, and pest-resistant, and can withstand strong winds. The base studio model starts at around $60,000, though total costs including land, utilities, and installation typically range from $110,000 to $150,000. Number 12, Cornelia. The Cornelia by New Frontier Design is a small, custom tiny house built on a 24-foot trailer. It was originally made as a writing studio, library, and guest space for author Cornelia Funk. The house features a loft bedroom with a sliding oak ladder, large windows for natural light, and reclaimed hardwood floors. Despite its small size, the Cornelia uses smart design and quality materials to make the space comfortable, functional, and inspiring. Number 11, Woodify Houses. The cabins feature smart locks, keycard energy control, remote climate management, full water-based heating with radiators, air conditioning, ventilation, and a projector instead of a television. Inside, the layout combines a bed, dining, and work area facing a panoramic view, along with a compact kitchen equipped with an induction cooktop and built-in refrigerator, and a fully fitted bathroom with shower and locally made ceramic tiles. Large windows, a private terrace, and a ventilated black pine facade allow the cabins to blend naturally into the landscape while remaining comfortable in all seasons. Number 10, Luban Cabin K50. If you have $36,800, you could own a Luban Capsule K50, a fully finished luxury prefab home. It provides 28 square meters of living space, featuring panoramic glass for plenty of natural light, smart voice control to manage devices easily, heated floors for comfort, a projector for entertainment, and air conditioning. The home is fully equipped with all the essentials, including a kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, and even a balcony, making it a complete, ready-to-live-in solution. Number 9, Tumbleweed Mini House. Tumbleweed tiny houses are a range of small, quality-built homes on wheels. Founded in 1999, Tumbleweed helped start the modern tiny house movement and remains a leader in tiny home RV designs. Their lineup includes classic models like the Elm, bright and open designs like the Cypress, modern Scandinavian-inspired Farallon, and the newer Aspen, all built with durable materials and energy-efficient insulation. These homes are built on trailers for mobility and can be used as full-time residences, vacation homes, or backyard dwellings. Number 8, CABN Jude. CABN Jude, a tiny home by the company CABN, is named after the founder's mother and reflects her warm, welcoming spirit. Despite its compact 14 square meter size, it comfortably fits up to 4 people and includes a shower, kitchen, bar counter, and bedroom with panoramic windows. Equipped with heating, a gas stove, refrigerator, and other essentials, it combines coziness with practicality. Guests can rent CABN Jude starting at $270 per night. Number 7, Urban Pods. Urban Pods offer stylish, versatile spaces for work, creativity, or relaxation. Whether you need a workshop, gazebo, recording studio, or a home office in your backyard, these pods provide an inspiring environment to suit your needs. Each unit is fully built and can be installed in about 2 weeks, giving you a quick and convenient way to expand your living or working space. Number 6, BALUCHON Nano. The tiny house. Nano packs 7 square meters of smart living into a 3.3 meter long trailer, making it highly mobile yet fully functional. It includes a kitchen, workspace, and sleeping space for 2 adults and a child. Weighing just 1.6 tons on a single axle, it can even be manually pushed into place at a campsite or parking spot. Its compact design makes it perfect for extended road trips while still offering all the comforts of a larger home. Number 5, Rubishack. The Rubishack is a unique mobile tiny home built on 4 tracks, combining the concept of a house and a tractor. Measuring 4.8 by 2.1 meters, its wooden cabin runs entirely on a built-in generator, which powers all its systems and eliminates utility bills. Despite its compact size, it includes car seats, a dining area, a double bed, and panoramic windows, perfect for enjoying the scenery while traveling at up to 63 kilometers per hour. Number 4, Koda Loft. The Koda Loft is a lightweight, practical, and functional home built on the concept of an earlier model, but using a wooden frame reinforced reinforced with steel instead of concrete. This reduces its weight by half, making transport much easier without sacrificing comfort. It connects easily to electricity, water, and sewage, and provides 30 square meters of flexible space. Its stackable design makes it ideal for hotels and glamping sites. Number 3. Vagabundo Tiny House. The Thonet X Vagabundo Tiny House refers to the Vagabundo Tiny House show model furnished with Thonet design pieces, blending high-quality furniture with innovative tiny architecture. These tiny houses use efficient timber frame construction with natural materials to reduce environmental impact and deliver flexible, minimalist living space. Thonet furniture, chosen for its durability and timeless design, fills the interior, from folding tables and cantilever chairs to armchairs and side tables, complementing the wood structure and creating a comfortable, multifunctional home. Number 2. Loftcube. The Loftcube is a unique modular home in Austria, perched on the roof of Hotel Daniel in Graz. Lightweight enough to be delivered by helicopter, it can be fully assembled in about 5 days and dismantled in just 2. Guests enjoy 39 square meters of flexible space, with options to add features like heating and even rearrange the interior layout. For comfort and customization, this innovative rooftop home comes at a price of around $75,000. Number 1. Rivonia Prefab Tiny House. Building a reinforced concrete countryside home doesn't have to cost a fortune. Rivonia Modular Houses offers a durable, energy-efficient, and low-maintenance home starting at just €29,900. This includes a combined bedroom and living area, a full kitchen, and a bathroom with all utilities ready. If you need more space, 20, 30, and 40 square meter models are available, with larger options up to €84,900. All homes come fully finished, install quickly, and include a 25-year structural warranty. So with this video, we are ending today's video. If you made it till here, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching.